Now, your Storm Track weather with meteorologist Andrew Adams.
Welcome back to KSNT News. Just about everyone starting off the night on the very calm side, at least everyone in Junction City. Partly cloudy skies, same kind of picture in Emporia. Just an overall dark start to the night. Winds kind of kicking up a little bit. Overall, very comfortable though. 76 degrees, a little warm, 14-mile-an-hour winds out of the southeast. That kind of wind going to continue over the next several hours. Today, we actually topped out at 88, so another well above average day for us here in northeast Kansas. It even started that way, only bottomed out this morning at 70, so really mild start. I think we have another mild start in the morning ahead for us with cloud cover on the increase tonight and temperatures already on the mild side. We're only in the 70s right now across the board, as high as 78 in Council Grove, 79 Blue Rapids, and some of us a little bit cooler, 73 in Burlington. Winds again sticking out of the south and southeast. That kind of flow is going to draw in some more moisture before we get into tomorrow's storm chance. So things are pretty calm for now. We had some showers move through earlier. It's dissipated pretty quickly, didn't bring a whole lot of rain to us at all. Only a few of us even saw them. Further out to the west, we've had some severe thunderstorms, also a few tornadoes in Kansas and in Nebraska, also one in Texas, but none near us. All part of a larger system that'll be making its way really on our doorstep by the time we get into tomorrow. That's why we in northeast Kansas are under a slight risk for severe weather tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. That's just about the entire viewing area, all except for the very extreme northwest corner of the area. So keep that in mind. Everybody's kind of in the same threat. And here's how it plays out. Going into the overnight hours, we could see a few showers. By morning, kind of the same picture. Might see some of those showers linger. Overall, the picture in the next several hours is that cloud cover increases, more moisture and thunderstorms start to pop up by the time we get into the afternoon. That's the first time frame for the thunderstorms to pop up and move through, and then we get another batch that looks to come through in the evening in a different little bit of a cluster setup moving in from the west, and then into the overnight hours, kind of a similar thing, but by this time frame, I think the severe threat is mostly out of the area. We're just dealing on the large part with heavy rain and maybe some high winds with that. And then Sunday, things are looking much nicer by the afternoon. So overall, with severe threats for tomorrow afternoon and evening, the two that I would focus on the most are hail and high winds. And then I would put flooding a little bit more on a pedestal on its own, though still slight risk for that because we've been so wet this year so far. And you can't rule out the chance for a tornado or two in the mix with some of these storms, especially in the afternoon time frame as we go through tomorrow. And I talked a little bit about flooding for tomorrow, but I think flooding could become even bigger concern as we go throughout the next week, because you see we have a lot of chances for some extra storm systems coming in, especially Monday and Tuesday and by the end of the work week as well. So we could see over the next 7 days several inches of rain in northeast Kansas. We already saw what that did a little bit just a week ago. So that's something in the long term to really think about.
Yeah, the flood prone areas could definitely get hit again, so definitely be something to watch. But tomorrow is the big concern, and I know we're going to be keeping a very close eye on that and bringing all crews in just so we can give you the coverage you need.